Good morning, lovely people. I just want to come on here right quick. I hope my phone don't die on me. Let's see here. Let me put it on here right quick. Yeah, I hope my phone don't I'm about to say pass away. Lord, you know I'm tripping. I'm trying to create this CRM. So anyway, so give you a little bit of backstory. It was Super Bowl Sunday, and I was going live on all my social media platforms, right? I was going live on TikTok, I was going live on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, right? So I didn't know anything about it. I'm new to all this, right? So apparently I'm going live. I'm taking like a few moments out of each platform to go live. Introduce myself to my audience, get to know them a little bit better, and chit chat, have small talk. So like maybe during halftime when Usher performed, I try to go back online because the whole time I'm doing commentary. I'm commenting on the commercials and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Just sharing because I'm not really into football, but my boys are. So I was watching football with them. So hey Sharice, how you doing? Hey Karen, how y'all doing? And congratulations, Miss Karen. So yeah, so after I get through with my live, and I go back on to do some more commentary, my account is blocked. So I'm like, what in the world? So I go into my notifications, kind of find out the NFL had blocked anybody who did anything other than pictures of the Super Bowl. So if you try to go live and share the Super Bowl on your platform, you immediately got a violation. So my account was frozen for, I want to say 3 days, 2 days, 3 days. That's why y'all have not seen me. And I'm telling you the funny thing about this. It's not funny, but it's kind of sad because I had just made a challenge for everyone to post for 7 days straight for every hour on an hour, and then on the seventh day we was gonna all come together and tell and share what our results were. If you're in a Facebook performance challenge, then you know what you know. Um, so I was my account was froze. So I was very shocked, but then I found another creator who her whole account got disabled. She could no longer go onto Facebook at all, so she had to create a whole new account after building up all those people, all those thousands and thousands of followers on her Facebook account, for which it was very discouraging. I felt for her. I commented and told her, like, look, my account was froze for 3 days. I could only imagine being disabled, altogether, not being able to access. She said she had family pictures that she didn't back up in the cloud or anything. She lost all those memories. So why I want to come on here in my Facebook group to you all ladies, we talk about working from home, finding ways to create multiple streams of income. And the reason why I want to come on here and share my experience with you all, because I don't mind being vulnerable. I don't mind being so-called a test dummy, the one to say, oh, she looking crazy or she don't speak this way. I don't mind it because it is what it is. I'm making my money, and I'm just trying to tell y'all can make money too. So it doesn't matter if people say, oh, I don't watch what you got to say, or you ain't talking about nothing to value of me. It doesn't matter because it's for the people who it's for. That's where you have to understand too in life. It's you are for who you are for. So all the other people who say things, they low-key kind of jealous and low-key because they following you, listening to you. So, but for them to try to say downgrade you, that's just them. That's not you. Don't never take it personal. So anyway, so what I've learned from this experience, having my account frozen for a couple of days just after immediately making that challenge, was I need to get a CRM. Now, mind you, I was in JT Hustle's mentorship for a little while, and he kept saying get a CRM, email marketing. And I'm like, I don't want to do all that because I had tried so many times before in the past years before, and it's so time consuming, y'all. It's so time consuming. But going through what I went through with this situation has opened up my eyes so very much. So that's what's on my task list. I got a list right here on my journal that I had and I'll talk about that another time. My journal right here I created from Printful. It's digital marketing. All you do is create an image, upload on Printful. People, and you advertise this journal. People like it, they buy it, you make money. That's simple. This is what I do. But with this journal, I write in here every day. Every day I make a list, a to-do list, and I write in here what I'm going to do every day to keep myself accountable, keep myself on track with everything. But today, my whole thing is before I log in to my work from home job. My whole thing today is to work on the CRM, to understand how to use the CRM. So the CRM that I'm using, because it's free, they give you 1,000 emails just to start off with, is HubSpot. Now I'm kind of familiar with HubSpot. They give you you can create landing pages. I used them when I was trying to get into affiliate marketing, but I found another way to do landing page, and that's through Canva. We'll talk about that if y'all want to another time. But HubSpot is the one I want to use for my email marketing. And why I'm telling you all this is because whenever your accounts get blocked and frozen, they can never take away your email marketing, right? They may shut me down on Facebook, but if I have my email marketing down pat and together, I can always retarget my followers, my customers, and all that good stuff, okay? So that's why I'm telling you all, it's very, very important. If you want to get into this affiliate marketing, you want to get into the social media space, create a product to sell, to promote, and with that product, create a CRM, okay? The one I'm using calls HubSpot. So it's very important because it can happen just like that. Like I said, I'm doing commentary, I'm posting, I'm sharing, my experience watching the Super Bowl, and like maybe 30 minutes later, my account gets frozen. I can't reply to none of y'all. I can see what's going on Facebook, but I can't go live. I can't reply. I can't post. I can't do any of that. And I got like 5 pages, y'all. Five. Now I could go on Instagram. I could go on Instagram, and I could go on YouTube still, because when that happened, I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. When that happened on Facebook, I immediately went back to my YouTube channel and deleted that live. I was not taking no chance because I haven't even got monetized. I'm monetized on Facebook. I haven't even got monetized on YouTube, so I was not taking any chances at all. So I went ahead and deleted that live. So that's nowhere to be found on YouTube. But I didn't delete it. I think I just took pictures on TikTok. I don't think, did I go live? I did go live. But they didn't, I ain't suffer any consequences for going live. And like I said, if y'all want to take the time out to go through the guidelines for these platforms, I will find it very, very beneficial. Just for the simple fact, if you do want to go live, it's always good to go live. It boosts you up in the algorithm. That's why you see people going live 2 and 3, 4 times a day. At least once. I try to go at least once. But that's why you see people, I have so many platforms, but that's why you see people going live and, at least 30 minutes, on their platforms. And that's another tip for you. If you're not growing fast enough, try to go live. If you're a lifestyle content creator, go live whenever you start working from home. Let's show them how you get your day started, how you get your children prepared for school, how you get the baby up and ready and set up before you start your live. Before you start your work from home job. Show people how you get your children up and ready before school. All these different things. People want to know how other people do stuff, so that can help them, maybe get some ideas on how to do stuff. That's why I'm saying no content is boring. None. I watched this man fish, live fishing, and I don't even fish like that. It made me want to get a fishing rod and go fishing just by watching him. So there's don't think your life is so boring that nobody want to watch. Everybody a little curious. I don't like to say nosy, but everybody a little curious about what everybody got going on. So, like I said, make you some content, find your product to promote, and make your money on the back end. So that's what I'm going to be working on today for my time. I'm not even going to do no affiliate marketing on my other page. I'm just going to focus on getting the CRM together so I can start capturing those emails and start marketing. Because when they shut down my account, y'all, I can't even tell y'all how I felt. Like, I felt so like, I kind of like, not like I was saying like I was getting away with something, but I was like, wow, they really are on this stuff. The NFL, it was a message from the NFL. I didn't even want to screenshot it, like show y'all, because I thought that might get flagged. You feel me? Like, I don't know. But, yeah, so they said the NFL, violation. Yeah, so I like, nope. I'm not taking any chances at all. So I immediately deleted that recording of me going live sharing the Super Bowl. You know how you just, I don't know what it was back in the day where you could just share what you was watching on television. If y'all remember what that's called, or even if y'all remember that being a thing where, like, especially like when Power would come out and different like sitcoms and TV shows, if you didn't have cable, you could just share, share it on your phone and let other people watch. Especially BET Awards, people used to do that all the time. But I can't remember what that was called, or what, or we did it even. I don't even know what platform. But they've gotten really, really strict. What I'm trying to say. So to get around all this right here, please create a CRM. You don't have to use HubSpot. but create a CRM where you can get people's emails and retarget in case you lose a platform and you have to rebuild it. So say if my next thing is I build up my CRM, and if this ever happens again, then I can retarget with those emails. You know what I'm saying? Like say, okay, this page got shut down. Can you please come over here and follow me on this platform, on this page? You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm saying the importance of trying to create a CRM, right? So I just want to come on here and share that with you all who may be interested or may not be interested, just let you know what's going on. But for you all who are still in the Facebook Performance Challenge, post every hour on the hour, okay? For 12 hours. Post pictures, original pictures. You cooking, you baking, you cleaning, the kids doing something, your pet's doing something, the sky, your car, your tire, anything. Post and make engaging content. Make content or comments where people will have to come back and say something, or just heart, like, share. Do something like that, okay? That's one way to get you in the feed. Constantly posting, constantly sharing stuff. Go onto other people's pages on your news feed, on your main page. When you go into your Facebook account, just once you on your page, you just scrolling up and liking and commenting, going in all those pages, liking and comment, liking and comment, liking and comment, liking and comment, all those pages, right? Then you could take a break, then come back another time, like and comment, because by then more people have already woken up, already commented, already posted. So it keeps it going. So you won't tire yourself out. You won't burn yourself out. So I hope these tips help you. I hope that you stay motivated. I hope that, watching what I'm going through, showing my being vulnerable to you all, not worrying about what y'all think, how it should look or sound or whatnot, keeping you motivated, that push the button to go forward. Like I was watching this one young lady, and she don't want to go live because her hair ain't done, her makeup done. Honey, look how I'm looking right now. Like I am at home, my children are straight. I'm about to work on this email marketing, setting up my CRM. Like for real, like I don't have time to be worrying about if y'all judge me because this hair hanging out and my gray showing it look like I got stuff in my hair. That's great, and I'm proud that I'll be sitting up here talking to y'all. But some people are really going through stuff right now in life. So, and I hope that if you are going through something in life, you look at me, reach out to me, send me an email. You want someone just to listen to you. I understand sometimes when you're going through stuff, you don't want to hear, once you tell somebody what you're going through, their judgment. You just want somebody to listen to you. You know what I'm saying? I'm not no certified counselor. But if you need someone, like, look, I'm going through something. I need someone to talk to. Can you just listen to me? I'm your girl. I'm your girl, okay? So, and I'm not a priest. I'm not anything like that. But I do believe, I do believe in God. I do believe in, that if you put out good in the universe, good to come back out to you. So, saying all that to say this, make your content. Easy way to make money. Easy way to make money. Nothing is dull. Nothing is boring. Make your content.